Hi, I'm Bidushi. Welcome to a day in my life as a medical student in Nepal.
You went away. You've been sending flowers to me. Flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
Today I woke up quite early and thought, why not capture the sun rising? So I went into the roof of my house and then I captured this beautiful view. Here I'm getting ready to go to my college. I'm just doing my eyebrows, brushing them, applying a little bit of blush, some lip gloss, and that's it. And this is my college uniform. And I got ready. I'm grabbing my helmet, my key for my scooter, and here I'm ready to get to my college. I'm wearing my shoes, and then I'm starting my scooter. Here I'm trying to give you a tour of my college and hospital. I am now heading towards the block A of hospital, where the inpatient department that comprises of different wards are located. For example, gynecology ward, surgery ward, internal medicine ward. This is our emergency department. This is the surgery OPD. Just got done with my surgery posting. Now let me take you all to our lecture hall. And by the way, our hospital is under construction lately. This is us, me along with my group members going to KMC Duakot for our forensic and autopsy posting. Done for the day, going back home, ending today's vlog on a sweet note. Thank you all for watching, and if you have stayed up till this late, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.